Okay, so here we are with the babies. They are 5 weeks old. Oh my goodness. They are so cute. I'm gonna do the 2 silvers first. This is my silver boy. Oh, there you go. You gonna look up? You gotta look up. Oh yes, look at that. He is gorgeous. That's a big guy. We started weaning from the mom, and they're doing awesome. This is our silver girl. Aw, you're so cute. Little place. Those eyes, oh, they are just so cute. Yes, you're gorgeous. Yes, you are. Huh? What is it doing? Are you holding those deals? Yeah. Oh, what do you got? What is that? Oh, okay. Told you here. Oh, this is green collar. Hold on. Hold still. Look. Oh, there you go. Look at those beautiful eyes. Oh, you're gorgeous. You're gorgeous. This litter was born on June the 16th. And they are, like I said, about 5.5 weeks old now. And let's see, where's my other boys? I've got 3 blue boys, sorry. This is black collar boy. What's that? What's that? Rob can't whistle, so you've got to work with him. What is that? Did you hear it? Yeah. And are you my other boys? What you got? What is that? Oh, and this is lime green collar boy. Oh, I know. I know you want to play. There you go. Oh, there. Hi, cutie. Hi. This is my blue girl, or one of the 2. This is pink collar girl. Yeah. Aw. You are so cute. Yes, you are. They are so funny. They are so playful. She's more of the darker pink. And then I have, wait. Light pink color girl. She's a big girl. Oh, yes. Hi, gorgeous. What's that? Huh? What's he doing? Aw. You're so cute. What are you doing? Huh? My silver girl lost her collar, so I got to get her another collar. But this is Izzy and Colt's litter. Oh my goodness, they are so funny. What's that? Oh, it went away. What happened? What are you doing? Did she do that to you? Aw. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Aw. They are very confident. Their little tails wagging and just so cute. What are you doing? This is pink collar girl's pulling on the blankie. Oh, now she's trying to steal the acorn. Oh my goodness, guys. So funny. Oh my God. Did you bring it for Mom? Huh? Yeah. Cool. Aw. But this litter goes home on August the 15th. They are all spoken for as well. But we do have another litter of blues, actually 2 litters of blues that will be coming in the fall. So if you are interested in a blue or a silver Weimaraner puppy, you can give me a call at 812-7. Oh no, what happened? What did you do? 812-709-1839. Again, this is our litter. Here's that one. You want that? Here. They always want the one the other one's got. What's that? Nope. Still in an nursery. There we go. What's that? What is that? Huh? What is that? What is that? Oh, they're so cute. What is it?
It's just, he's over there just playing by himself and everybody else is coming over to bother him.
What you got, baby?
He's been content just to play over there by himself.
Oh, so great. So cute. Oh, they're just adorable. Yes, yes, you are. Yeah. Aw. Yeah, you're such a sweet boy. Yes, yes, I am. Oh, they're so cute. But very playful. Just really, really gorgeous puppies. But this is, of course, Izzy and Izzy and Colt's litter. And again, there's one silver boy, one silver girl. Oh, so baby. Yes, you are. 2 blue girls and 3 blue boys. Yeah. That's funny. What is he doing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh, he's my baby. Mwah, mwah. Oh, so cute. But this litter leaves on August the 15th, and they are just, they're very active, very playful. And they're doing great, aren't you? Yes. What's that one? What's that one? Huh? What are you doing? Oh. Yes, you're such a good boy. You are a sweetheart. Yes, you are. The lime green colored boy has that little white dot right there. Aw, he's so cute. Yes, you are. Aw. And he is a sweetheart. Yeah. Oh, I know. Okay. You're a sweetheart too. Yes, you are. Yes. Oh. What are you going to do? Huh? You're going to go play? Okay. But this, I'm sorry. This is our litter, both blues and silvers. And they are 5.5 weeks old. Hi, children. And very playful, just really, really gorgeous puppies. This litter is spoken for. If you are interested in a puppy, we will have some puppies in the fall. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I know. Look at those eyes. I love the eyes with the silvers. Look at that. Oh, so gorgeous. Yes, you are beautiful. Yes, you are. 812-709-1839. My name's Terry Young, and this is White River Kennels, and this is our blue and silver ones. Thank you.